Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up to where a student has to work through content in a specific order. So to start with, make sure you're on your course module page. So if you're not sure how to get there, over on the left you'll find a link that goes to your module, so make sure you're on your modules page. Then what you want to do is go to the module where you want to have the content required to be completed in a specific order. So it doesn't matter which module you go to. In this case, I'll go ahead and just go to this very first example module. And what you want to do is go over to the little gear icon on the far right side of the page where your module is. So in this example module, the gear icon is right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and select Edit. What's going to pop up then is the Edit Module Settings. This is where you can lock a module until a given date, set up prerequisites, but what we're going to do instead is set when the module is complete. So we're going to have to add some requirements. So first of all, just click the little plus button to add a requirement, and you'll see in this first drop down it says for blank or example assignment, and you can pick which different item from this specific module you want to set as a requirement. So I'm going to go ahead and say example assignment, users must, and then you can do this little pull down and say they must submit the assignment, view the item, or score at least. So for the example assignment, I'm going to say just submit the assignment. I'll then add another requirement, and this time the student needs to do the example discussion, and I think they need to contribute to the page. You can also do a score. And for this one, for the quiz, I'm going to say quiz, but not just view or submit. I think the student needs to get at least a, well, let's see, it's out of 21. And also see it says out of, it tells you how many points for a quiz. And so for this one, I'm going to say that they need to score at least, we'll do a 18. So there we go. Then what you would do, so you've set up the module is complete, so these are the requirements, but then what you have to do is actually check the box next to students must move through the requirements in the order, in the modules in sequential order. So once you do all of that, you click Update Module. Then you'll see that now underneath each one of your assignments or pages or whatever you set, it now says, for example assignment, they must submit the assignment. For discussion, it says it must contribute to the content of the page, and the examples quiz, it says you must score at least an 18 in order to move forward. So that's kind of how the students know, oh, I've got to do that before I can move on. So I hope this helps, and see the additional resources and directions if you have more questions.